Before we get into this video, I just want to say thank you to everyone who sent messages and prayed for my safety. I am in Texas, but I'm a little bit north of where the flooding occurred. I have traveled down that way and camped out that way, and lazy river floated out that way. So it's a tough time for a lot of people, and I appreciate the prayers, and I'm praying for them, the people who are actually there and going through it. So I know it'll be a long road of recovery, not only just with damage to land and property and things, but also the damage that has occurred to people's psyche and their mind. I can't imagine. So anyway, I just wanted to say thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Kalani and welcome to my channel Outside with Lonnie Shots. In this video, it's a super short video, guys. I just wanted to share with you that a lot of times when we think about getting out in nature and backpacking or hiking, we think that we have to do this epic thing or go long distances, and the reality is that sometimes you just need to get out there even if it is just for a mile. And so that's what I did. In this video, it had been a while since I was able to get out on a trail. We had a lot of rain here and the trails were closed and I just wasn't able to hike. And they finally opened up and I was like, I am getting out there. And so that's what I did. And yeah, anyway, hopefully it'll inspire you to just get out there and be in nature. It can do a lot of good for your soul.
Good morning. Oh, I'm in the mud. So I ran out of the house this morning and I saw my trekking poles in the closet and I was like, don't forget your trekking pole. And I forgot the trekking pole. So I think I'm the first hiker this morning, so I've been doing this to a couple of spider webs, but it's all good. I just picked up a little stick off the ground because I just ran into a huge freaking spider web. Oh my gosh. I still feel it. Oh my gosh. It's so crazy how I love to be out here, but I don't like the bugs. How does that go together? I don't know how that goes together, but it is what it is. Oh my goodness. I look like I'm a choir conductor. Porta potties? All right, and just like that, we're done with a short little day hike. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't gone on your hike today, or if you haven't decided if you want to go on a hike this weekend, please do yourself a favor and go out and enjoy some nature. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week.